guys, it's Ashlyn Carter. So here I am in my kitchen just trying to figure out ways to entertain you, to connect with you, to make you feel less alone. I saw a hashtag the other day, it was hashtag alone together, and I love that because we're all in this together, and so I'm trying to find ways to keep this positive, joyful, offer maybe a distraction for you. What I eat in a day, quarantine edition. Let me show you what I had for breakfast today. Good morning, everybody. So for breakfast, I am having some of that leftover blueberry crisp that I shared on the channel a couple days ago. It's super good, super just nutrient dense with the oats and nuts and the blueberries, and then I added about, I don't know, fourth a cup, third cup of whole Greek yogurt, and then I added a few walnuts for a little bit of extra protein and chia seeds. So that's what I'm having for breakfast with, of course, my cup of coffee, and hopefully this fills me up for a few hours. My neighbor and friend Jenna gave me some starter, so I am attempting some sourdough bread this morning to cook for tonight. Step 5 of like 100, but can't wait for some friends. I'm following Tartine Bakery's country bread sourdough recipe. Part of being home means more time to read magazines, so I was outside reading Sunset yesterday and this salad looked amazing. So I am just preparing some stuff to have this tonight with our homemade bread, maybe some grilled chicken. I made the eggs. I'm just gonna have a little mini snack. I've got some sparkling water here, pineapple, and I'm having half of an apple with about a tablespoon of natural peanut butter and string cheese. So this is lunch, super basic, easy. I am having just a quick salad, arugula, hard-boiled egg, some chopped apple, a little bit of goat cheese, some pistachio nuts, and just a quick homemade balsamic dressing with lemon, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Nothing too exciting, but I'm not super hungry. I'm not super hungry, but I know I want to eat some nutrients. I just got back from the grocery store and that was so overwhelming that I'm just trying to be in a peaceful place and pray and have some quiet time while the kids rest and read, because it's really overwhelming there. Just walking around and seeing people in like full masks and worrying about my kids not touching things, and everything was, you know, cleared off the shelves. They were rationing all the meat out to like 1 per person. It was just, it's a lot. So eat my salad, put on some worship music, pray, and just get in the healthy mindset and space of just trusting that God's gonna provide for us. God's gonna work all this stuff out, and he's gonna keep us safe, protect us. He's gonna provide for all of our needs. So that's where I'm at. I'm gonna keep working on my bread here and do a little dinner prep. Also, not gonna lie, I've just ate, I don't know, a good handful of these and maybe a couple Cheetos. So putting these away before they disappear. Okay, quick thoughts while I'm eating my salad here. If you're new around here, I practice intuitive eating. So intuitive eating is something where I'm just mindful of what I'm putting in my body, but for me, nothing is off limits. So I try to just eat a good amount of protein, nutrients throughout the day that gives me energy. I try to eat very little processed things, but when I do, or if I have treats, I just have a very forgiving attitude about it. Every day is definitely different. I don't have like this strict schedule. And again, I'm just trying to really tap into what my body wants, what it's craving, when it's in a healthy place. When it's unhealthy place, it wants all the sweets and sugar. But when I really can get down and be like, okay, I'm feeling really tired, I feel like I need more protein, I think I need more greens, so things like that. Still doing intuitive eating. I have a lot of videos on it if you are interested about what it is. I'm just happier knowing that if I want ice cream like really, really bad and it's a special occasion, I can have it. The limiting of things just wasn't working anymore. So I'm in a very just healthy space. I'm happy. I've been practicing it for almost a year now, and it's been great. It works really well for me. So more videos below if you're interested in intuitive eating to check it out. There's our little therapy dog. He has been the sweetest puppy and just such a stress reliever. So fun to have him around. Hey, here's my bread loaves, getting ready to cook it. Thawing out some frozen chicken breasts with a little salt, pepper, red onion, lemon juice, coconut amnios, and some olive oil. Grill this up tonight to go with our salad and bread. Having a little afternoon pick-me-up. I'm having one of my Nespresso shots. I do it over ice in a mug. And then I put about, I don't know, half a cup, 3/4 cup. I love this oat milk. It's so delicious in there. And it's just a little iced latte. All right, over here prepping this salad. And this dressing's super cool. It called for onion that you grate, which looks legit. So I'm gonna probably not use all of this. I'm just gonna store it in here. There is loaf number 1. So stoked. So this is what it looks like to start. There's a lot of steps. I'm very proud. Be back with the results. Okay, moment of truth. Wow, look at the inside. That looks epic. Should we do a little taste test?
Yeah.
Look at it steaming. Let's get some butter.
Hi friends. Look at my butt.
What do you girls think?
Yeah.
Amazing. All right, final reveal. What do you guys think? Looks pretty legit, huh? Cannot wait to eat that. Got my glass of wine. It's a Friday night. Fresh bread, and I'm gonna grill the chicken. All right, here's dinner. That concludes the end of what I eat in a day. So I'll probably have 2 of these little energy bites, the oatmeal cookie ones that I posted a few days ago. Totally satisfy my sweet craving. So I'll probably have 2 of these and call it a night. Oh, and just to update, dinner was so delicious. That salad was just so unique, salty, delicious. I don't know, it had so many unique flavors. I loved it. So try it out. Have a great day. Bye guys.